this is Dr. Diana No from Ella Eyes. Today, I am going to answer the question, can I treat my dry eyes with Lipiflow therapy? The answer is yes. Yes, you can treat dry eyes with Lipiflow therapy. It is one of the most effective thermal procedures to treat dry eyes today. It is used to treat Meibomian glands disease. What are Meibomian glands? They are your tear glands. Tear glands disease is one of the major causes of dry eyes. Lipiflow therapy only takes 12 minutes. Special heat pads are applied to your eyelids. This will help restore the working conditions of your damaged tear glands. The procedure is designed to restore your tear film production, and hopefully, you will become less dependent on eye drops for relief.